YouTube, what's up? I am just leaving the gym. I'm gonna be hitting San Clemente today. I had a pretty bad crash yesterday. Jacked up my shoulder. We're gonna hit this drop now. Oh shit! Wasn't sure I was gonna be able to make it out today, but I went out here to the gym to kind of get it warmed up. I also jacked up my right heel, ankle, and hip. I'm going to be riding with Kyle and Casey today. We're all on e-bikes. Casey finally got an e-bike, so it should be a good ride. Alright, so Casey is running super late, so me and Kyle are going to start. I did charge my bike last night. We're going to start without Casey and meet him up after.
Are you ready to do the handicap?
The little one right here?
Yeah.
Hold on, put my goggles on.
You want to stop there?
Sure, yeah. Alright. Canyon gap right here. Oh.
Carbon fiber.
Woo! Okay, let's go. Too slow.
A few minutes later.
Alright. This one for sure. I felt way more in control. A lot more in control.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so I got the 2 in. It's number 3. Shit! Oh!
Case dismissed.
Oh! Oh!
Hey, you wrote it out though.
I knew I was gonna case it, dude, but I had to go for it. That hurt my ankle. You want to do one, and then I'll let my ankle rest. All right, here's Kyle. Smooth. Yeah.
More moments later.
Don't hit the brakes. Oh shit! Whoa! I got thrown up.
But you know what though? That's almost perfect.
Yeah.
Many tic-tacs later.
I'm making this a lot harder than it needs to be. These jumps are just really close together, so I have a hard time with my rhythm.
Perfect. You just didn't pull it quite enough.
I feel like I yanked a little too late on the second jump. What's up, dude?
Sorry.
Overslept?
Shut my alarm off.
You're fired.
Well, I've done this honestly like over 20 times already, and I haven't cleared it.
You haven't got all 3?
Nope. Kyle makes it look so easy.
Yeah.
Nice. Smooth. Let's go. No matter what. Fuck! Shit! Oh! Oh! If you would have saw my case earlier, Case, you would understand my hesitancy. I cased it so hard. It fucked my ankle up. I had to take a rest and let Kyle go because it hurts. I fucked my ankle up yesterday, and that one made it worse. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, say. All right. This is a car crash on Kyle.
Carton's flyers.
Oh shit! Whoa, that was awkward. Yeah. Oh shit, drop. Nice. Woo! So good. That was dope. Yeah, it was like transition. Ah!
Sure right now.
Yeah, so good. I fucked up the very end though.
I'm gonna go around the first jump.
Yeah, I think that's better. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. Yeah, so much easier. Just going around the first one was the thing for me. Yeah.
That's a good 20 feet. You don't want to case it either. That's a sharp one.
Uh-huh. The new
You want to come in pretty spicy.
canyon gap. All right, here comes Kyle. Yes. Woohoo! Fuck yeah! All right. Into the jumps.
Yeah.
All right, I'd say. Shit. Oh shit. Oh, shot that thing. I want to check your speed because you must overshoot a lot of these. Uh-oh. That was so good.
Line because the wind was so strong.
Yeah, I feel like. I'd say. Hey, what was the first trail? And what's this one? Oh, intervention. Oh shit. Oh, dope. Built that up. Whoa. It seems still kind of steep. Oh shit! Are you okay?
Fine.
Oh fuck. We're going to this sloppy seconds. What the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? Dusty. Casey's first experience here on the e-bike. He's super happy on the climbs now.
Ready, Case?
Wait.
Oh, guys.
Holy shit.
That was a gnarly one.
Yeah. Woo, no wind.
Drop it.
go hit the Lobo. It's further out, but we have time. There's a big misconception with e-bikes where you don't get a good workout, but trust me, man. Especially if you're just pushing from one trail to the next, you just get so many more laps in. Right, safe? Alright. This is Lobo. Following Kyle. So he said that they just fixed this A line right here. It's supposed to be a... Oh shit! Whoa! Yeah, new jump. Wow. Oh man. Nice touch. Chunky. Okay, little drop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jeez, wasn't prepared for that. Nice. Nice. So good. That was good. Yeah, it is. I missed a couple jumps at the very top though.
Me too, that one came out of nowhere.
Yeah, you got one of them that I didn't get though.
Yeah, I finally got that. Because I was kind of expecting something to come.
Wow, that was dope.
People were mentioning new jumps, but I thought they were down at the bottom. So.
Shall we boost?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So much better on the e-bike at this place, huh? It just, like, even we push you, it's not the same, you know?
Yeah.
It's still tiring.
Yeah.
But just, and then the pace is just so much faster. Good ride.
Yeah.
Never thought that day would come. Casey with the e-bike. That was a good ride, dude.